So for tonight, kasama po natin ang dalawang naggagandahan. And kasama natin si Miss Cindy Maduma, awarded being Premier Achiever Outstanding International Beauty Pageant Leader as a Golden Achiever. At kasama din po natin si Miss Jane Darren Genopisa, Premier Achiever Outstanding International Beauty Queen of the Year. So, sobrang gaganda ng mga kasama ko ngayong gabi. Para akong natatabunan.
Thank you.
Ang ganda rin nito.
Thank you so much po. So, for tonight, ma'am, alam ko namang masaya kayo, pero pwede niyo po bang sabihin sa ating mga viewers kung gaano po kayo kasaya?
Gaano daw tayo kasaya sa award na ito? Sino yung una?
Sige ako. So, to be honest, I am deeply honored and humbled to receive this award kasi ito po yung pinagpapaguran natin sa Miss Cuba Philippines and also sa Miss Cuba International. This shows that this award is a celebration of our passion and advocacy for marine conservation, safe diving, and also inspiring people to change their lifestyle po para matulungan po natin ang ating karagatan. At siya nga pala po, ang ating pong magandang katabi dito, si Jane Darren Genopisa, na nag-compete po. Ito lang po sa recently concluded Miss Cuba International 2022.
Yes. So I compete up when I was announced as Miss Cuba Philippines. So I did a lot of work, diving, sustainable driving practices, all the level up cleanup, the ICC International Coastal Cleanup, if you don't know what it means. And I make this thing, scuba diving, not just for fun or for an activity, but to make it sustainable and invite people to be more, to be a marine advocate. Because, like, you know, there's a lot of things happening in this world, and what I realize is that what we throw in the ocean is also what we eat. So, as a marine advocate, I think this is such an honor having this award. Kasi I've been working myself out throughout the year since 2018. I joined the first ever Miss Cuba. I mean, my year, 2018. And then with that, I went to different pageants, but then my heart goes back to Miss Cuba. And then now the Southeast Asia Premier Business and Achiever Awards gave me this, and honestly, this is my first time ever recognition of representing our country in the international competition. And so, thank you so much, and I will use this award to invite a lot of people, especially the inspiring beauty queens who wants to join a beauty pageant with a cause. Thank you so much.
So, Miss Cindy and Miss Jane, alam ko po na hindi ito po yung first time yung maka-receive, but si Miss Jane, ito yung first time niya.
Yes.
So, ano po yung pinagkaiba ng Southeast Premier Business Award sa iba pong award-giving bodies?
Siya ako.
Sige po, si Miss Cindy po muna.
So I've received awards before then, but it's also almost all it's about marine conservation and advocacy po. But this one is very important to me because it's about leadership and it's about the national director thing for me. And ito po yung isa sa mga masasabi ko nag-recognize sa aming mga national directors, mga ginagawa namin sa kanya-kanya naming pageant. And I'm grateful na lagi silang super accommodating and sobra yung mga media mileages na nilalabas nila. That's what I can say.
And how about you, Miss Jane, since this is your first time?
Since this is my first time, other than winning the crown or being the Miss Cuba Philippines, this is also the hard work. The hard work that we've done throughout the years to be just awarded with this one. Kasi not everybody can get this. Not all beauty queens can have this kind of award. But this one is really sentimental to me because this is my first time, and para siyang, alam mo yung you have a new crush and they give you the chance to have this award. Like, oh wow. I was recognized as the beauty queen of the year, and so like I think all of the beauty queens also wants to be recognized, and thank you so much for this.
Ayan po. So, last question ko po, ano po ang skincare nyo para gagayahin ko po? Pero biro lang po.
Ano ko na paisip ko?
Kasi biro lang po.
Okay, I was about to say
Kasi share na pala talaga. Pero biro lang po, ang totoo pong question, ano po ang sikreto nyo bilang mga successful beauty queen at may mga advocate pa po talaga kayo na ganyan na talaga namang maganda ang naitutulong sa atin?
I think siguro don't give up, and determination should be there. The faith should be there because you should put more than 100% of yourself to things what you love to do. And also, beauty pageant is just a way for you to have a big mileage or connection to reach people, to help a lot of people, the children, whatever your advocacies are, as long as you're able to put your 100% of it, you're gonna be good. And don't think that pageantry is something that you can have like a fame or something you can get on. But use pageantry as a tool so that you can raise something and help the community. Because if you get something or a lot something from community or from what you're doing, give it also to the community, especially to the poor, to those people who are really in need, those people who are not educated with what's happening in our ocean, or whatever advocacies it is.
And
I agree. It's really important na to stick with our passion, with our vision,
Yes.
and at the same time, never give up on our dreams. And
Yes.
it's the time for us to believe in our truth, like Jay.
Yeah.
Ayan
Always
po.
believe
So,
that.
muli po from Servicio Channel at La Visual Corporation, congratulations po sa
Thank
inyong
you so
dalawa.
much for this. La Visual.
Business and achievers.
Yes.
Thank you po.
Thank you.